Hello guys, in this video today I would like to show you how to do the branching in the Git by using the Bitbucket and SourceTree. Okay, so let's get started. And firstly, I'll go ahead to create a project in Bitbucket here. Okay, I go to click on the create button here. I click on the repository. Now I will change it to the theme. Change theme here. And I select a project. .NET project. I will name it this repository is something like branching. Branching in SourceTree. Okay, click on create repository. Okay, so after that you click on the create a readme file here. In the create in this file you can take note something here for the project, or also something for the step to develop the to deployment, or some the necessary software to use for the project or something like that. Okay, so here I will delete something default here. I will take note this is very for testing. Okay, commit. Cool. And now here I will copy this URL, and after that I will open the SourceTree on my Windows PC. I click on clone button here to clone the repository from the Bitbucket into my local PC. Okay, so when you paste this URL here, if you using this for the first time, so it will display a dialog where you have to enter the username and password of SourceTree of Bitbucket in order to get the file from the Bitbucket into the Windows PC. So now after because I already used it before, so no need to enter the username and password anymore. So now here I have to select the destination folder for this one. Okay, I will click on clone button. I will open the folder here, open folder here. So when you click on the open in a browser here, so it will direct open the folder which contains the shortcode on the Windows PC. Okay, minimize it. Okay, so by default, after you create you clone the successfully repository from the GitHub as from the Bitbucket to the Windows PC here. It has a master brand here, and the remote is in origin, and we have the master and hit. Okay, so now when you are working in a team, you need to have some brands to store the shortcode. No, you shouldn't coding directly on the master brand. Okay, so now I will go ahead to create another brand from it will inherit from the master. Okay, I click on the master here, and after that click on brand button here. I will name it develop, and the working copy I will copy it from the parent. Okay, you can also specify the commit here because for now we have only one commit from the internet, so I will leave it by default for now. Working copy parent, and after that, when we when we create a new brand here, so it will auto check out. Okay, cool. And now we have two branches on the on my Windows PC, develop and master. And now we will working on the develop brand. And after that, when we finish the shortcode for some delivery, after that we will merge the code from the develop into the master brand. So after that, we will byline the shortcode on master brand and deliver the code to the customer or another one. Okay, so now in develop, we are able to create some branches to work on another feature. So for example, in a team, we have some people. So the developer will create some branches to work on the feature. So now when they finish the feature, for example, the feature 1 will be assigned into the developer 1, and the feature 2 will assign to the developer 2. So now we will create two brands. We call it developer 1 and developer 2. So the dev 1 will working on the develop 1 brands, and the dev 2 will work on the developer 2 brand. So when they finish the shortcode, so they will merge it into the developer. And after that, when we have the shortcode working fine on the develop brand, we will merge it back to the master. Okay, so let's follow my video here. Brands develop uh, that one. Okay. Here for now we have some branches on the Windows PC. If you want to go to another brand, you just by double click on the name on shortcut here, so it will check out the shortcode for this brand from the bitbucket into the Windows PC. Okay, so you are able to check out the brand by right click on this and select the checkout. Okay, so now you will open this folder. When you select when you check out the shortcode from the dev one here, so it will loading the shortcode for dev one into this folder. The same thing when you check out the dev 2, it will getting the shortcode of the dev 2 displaying on this folder as well. Okay, and at the same time, we don't allow you to check out two brands. So now, when you will, the working folder will contain only one shortcode of one brand at the same time. Okay. So now I will create some file here and show some demo for you. It will make clear for you later. Okay. So now I go ahead to. For now we are working on the dev one. I will go ahead to add some text file here. I will assume it is a shortcode file. Okay. Add a text file. because I don't want to write something here for coding. Just want to add some text file for demo to you. It should be the same thing when you are working on a project and do the coding. Okay. Dep one file one. Save it and close it. Okay. So now after you finish the coding here and you commit this one, you can see here we have uncommitted changes. So now you click on working copy here to see the change. We have the dev1 file dot txt file here. It is unstated, and we click on the state on, and you enter some command before you commit it to the server. Okay, you check it into food chain immediately to the server. So basically, if you don't check this one and you click on the commit button here, so it will only change just commit the file into the into the PC local PC. It will change some status on the original PC, but still not commit the file to the bin bucket. Okay, so if you click here, it will change the. It will do two actions. The first action, it will update the status of the file on the Windows PC, and after that, it will automatically put the new change to the Bitbucket immediately. Okay, commit. Okay, back to the dev one. Here, you can see here for now the file has been added into the dev one. Okay, so you open the folder shortcode here to see. For now, you are able to see the dev1 file.txt on this folder. And for now, we are working on the dev1. If I check out the dev2, and what happened? Okay, so actually, the dev1 file 1 is only working on the dev1 branch. So if you check out to the dev2, we didn't see this file. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so you can see here this folder don't contain the txt file has been added for the dev1 branch. Okay, the same thing when you access into the master and develop here, you didn't see this file. Okay, okay, so now back to the dev1. And when you are working on the feature 1, and if you think this feature it is very big, so you can separate it into some small tasks. And when you are working on a small task, you want to add some resources to support the dev one. So now we can create some brand from the dev one. Okay, so let's see. Brand one. Okay, so now when this guy working on this one, so I will copy the file here. Dev one e branch one thing. open the working copy. Okay, so when you working on the branches, I mean you check out it. So the working folder it should be the same with the brand you are working on. Okay, set it. Commit. Okay, here a new file has been added into the brand one, that one brand one. The same thing. If you now you check out the that one here, you didn't find this file. Okay, okay. So now, if everything is done, you can merge the code from the dev one brand one to the dev one brand here. Okay, let's do it. You just go ahead to right click on the developer dev one brand one here. You click on merge into the current brands. The current brand means the brand you are check out it. Yes. Okay. You see it here. We have a new chain for the develop dev one. You click on put button here to put the new chain into the Bitbucket. You select the destination branches to put it. Yeah. So now the dev one should look the same. The dev one brand one. Okay, cool. And now this guy able to add something new here. We add new more file here. File 2. Okay. File 2 and go to the dev one brand one. No file 2. Okay, cool. So now I will check out the dev 2. I will add some file for dev 2 here. Dev 2 file 1. Okay. Working copy. State on file. Add comment. Okay. Okay. So now if you want to add more another depth to support the depth too, you are able to do the branching for it looks the same thing as we did for the depth one brand one. Okay. So now click on this. Cool. You are able to I will try to add more here. Depth 2.2. Okay. I will merge it. I will commit it to server. Okay. Okay, so now everything the shortcode of the dev1 and dev2 is working fine. You should merge it into the develop. Okay, I will check out the develop branch and I will merge the code of the dev1 first into the develop. Develop. Okay, so this one is I will merge this one. Merge. Okay. Sorry, we have merged this one. Okay. We have just merged the dev2 into the develop branch here. Didn't see the merge of the dev1. Okay, try again. Make sure this one they have working fine. Merge by branch dev2 into that. Merge this one. Are you sure you want to merge dev1 into the current branch? Okay. I think I should put it first. Okay. In the developer now we have we already merged the dev1 and dev2 into the dev already. Okay, so let's see. Dev2 dev2 we have dev2 file 1 and file 2 and dev1 we have file 1 file 2 and brand 1. It should be file. It should be file of file 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, already it already merged into the developer. Okay, so now you can open the shortcode on the Bitbucket to see. Refresh this one and select the branches here. We have a lot of branches. You can see the commit. Okay, so it looks the same thing when you see on the SourceTree. Okay, so now click on the source. Use for now we didn't merge anything into the master, so you didn't see any file here. Select the develop here It contains 6 text file here. Sorry, 5 text file. Okay, cool. Added. Okay. So now when you think the developer shortcode brand is working fine and it's ready for merge into the matter. So now you do the same thing, just check out matter. Okay, and right click on the develop and merge develop into the current branch. Okay, so open the master and put it to the master. Put. Okay, it is merged into the matter already. So now you can open the Bitbucket and select the matter. Yes, it looks the same thing, shortcode of the develop. Okay, so now if you think this one is the so now when after you merge the code from the develop into the master, so you have to deliver shortcode to the client and you are able to create a tag here. So it will be easier for you to 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 to, to find the correct brand in the letter for maintenance if you have any issue with the version you are delivered for the client. Okay, so now click on tag. Okay, tag here. You will see name it is release number 1. Okay, add tag. Use open tags here. It contain release 1. Here you have a tag in release 1. Okay, master develop. Okay, so now after you deliver the release 1 to the client, and the team will continue working on another phases of the project, and now you continue to work on the future of the develop. Okay, so now you click on develop. You create another feature. I will brand this. You name it develop. Develop phase 2. Create this one. Okay, and now we have go ahead to add some code here. Phase 2 file 1. Okay, working copy. Okay, so now if you want some guy in your team working with the also working on the develop phase 2 here. Okay, so I will add some more code first. I will create the file 2 for phase 2. Okay, click on this one. You can see here we have just added 2 files into the phase 2. And now if you want another guy in the team working on the phase 2 as well. So but you don't want that guy check out the code of the which contains the new code for phase 2, file 1 and file 2 here, and how to do it. Okay, so here. Okay, sorry. If you I have a KE because we have just added file 1 and file 2 for the phase 2. And now when we have a new guy working on this project of phase 2, so I only want the guy getting the code of the file which contain the file 1 and exclude the code of file 2. How to do it? Okay, so now here I will select this one and click on branch. I will name it develop phase 2 dev 1. Okay. Instead of select the copying working copy parent, if you select this one, it will copy all thing of the parent. And for now, the parent is contain all of the file here, the file 1 and file 2. So if you select this one here, it will also clone the file 2 into this branch. And the purpose here, we don't want to clone this file 2 to this new branch. Okay, so you should select the specified commit. You select the instead of select the top, the latest commit. So you select the first, it is before the latest, and click on OK button and create branch. Okay, so now open the folder. Here you can see for now we don't see the file 2 anymore. Okay, just copy this one. The one file 1. Okay. Okay, commit. Okay, it's the same thing. You are able to add new branch here, or also able to create add new file into this branch. And after that, when everything is done, you should merge it to the parent branch. Here we have the phase 2 dev 1 is a child branch of the develop phase 2. So we have to merge the code from the dev 1 to the phase 2 first. And after that, we have to merge the code of the develop phase 2 to the develop here. And the last one, we have to merge the code from the develop into the master here. So after that, the master, we will use this code to deliver for the client. And actually, when you are working in project, we should always keep the code of the matter is stable. So now, okay. So when you want to modify the shortcode, so you should create some another branches to do it instead of doing directly on the matter. Okay. So now I will open the dev to merge. Okay. Put it. Okay. And after that, I have to merge this one to the dev develop. Okay. Put. The last one, we merge it to the matter. Put. Okay, so now you can create a tag tool for release number 2. Okay, cool. So now if you don't want to work on the dev one here, you can remove it. It still keep on the server. It just remove the brand on your local PC. Okay. Okay, so actually when you are working on in a project, so you have a lot of members in your team. So when we finish any phases, so we should remove some the branches we will not use anymore because we already merged the shortcode from that branch into the develop and also the master branch. So we shouldn't keep it because it will make you have some issue, maybe some issue when you are working in a repository which contain many branches. Okay, select this one. Yeah, you can also delete the branches on the remote server. Okay, but now I will keep it. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to work on the branches of the uh, Bitbucket, and we are using the SourceTree to do that. And after you finish this one, you can follow this to work on the project. I think it will be helpful for you. And feel free to let me know if you see any issue in your project. Bye bye and talk to you later.